Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to use the search function in OneDrive. When you open the OneDrive web interface, you'll notice a search bar located right at the top of the page. This search bar is available at all times, no matter which folder you're in. To search for something, simply click inside the search bar and begin typing keywords related to the file you're looking for. This could be the file name, part of the content inside a document, or even a person's name if it's something that's been shared with you. As you type, OneDrive will instantly start showing suggestions below the search bar. This might include matching files, folders, or even recent activity. If you see what you're looking for in the suggestions, you can click on it directly to open the file. Otherwise, press Enter to view the full search results. Now let's make your search even more precise by using filters. Once you're on the search results page, you'll notice filter options near the top. You can filter by file types such as Word documents, PDFs, spreadsheets, presentations, photos, or videos. Modify date. Use this to find files edited today, yesterday, last week, or within a custom date range. Using these filters can save you a lot of time, especially when you're searching through a large number of files. Now let's take a look at another handy feature, the Recent section. Back in the OneDrive interface, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Recent. This view shows a chronological list of all the files you've recently opened, edited, or uploaded. This is especially helpful if you were working on a file earlier but forgot its name or location. You'll likely find it right here without even needing to search. With these tools, you can navigate your OneDrive more efficiently and spend less time digging through folders. Thanks for watching.